Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Safe Search on PC or on your Google Chrome. So let's head over to our Chrome browser first and let's search for any web page. Like let's search for a GitHub, and here you will find your account right here. If you click on it, if you scroll down, you will find the options, and there you will find the option of Safe Search under Search Personalization. And here tap on Safe Search. And here you can just see that Safe Search helps you manage explicit content on your search results like sexual activity and graphic violence. So here you can turn off or just click on off, and it will show all relevant results even if they are explicit. And if you click on filter, it will filter out explicit images, text, and links. So just make sure to tap on off, and your safe search is now turned off. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off safe search on your Google Chrome. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.